Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 550 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Corvette. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Engine block painted the Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. Proper oil pan for the 69 Corvette. Real nice chrome valve covers, breathers installed, aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housings on there, 2 extra water ports for any coolant sensors. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there. Special 14-inch air cleaner for the Corvette with the 1.5-inch drop base for hood clearance. HEI distributor all set in place. We have the tach drive for the 69 Corvette right there, so you can drive his tachometer. Proper standard flywheel for the 69 Corvette. Pilot bushings installed. Proper balance and tooth count for the 383 Chevy. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. PCV ventilation line, Russell heavy duty, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookup. Chrome fuel line up to the carburetor. All the fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, high flow fuel pump. It's real nice black serpentine pulley kit, 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, 8-rib serpentine belt, the black high flow aluminum water pump, GM power steering pump all set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, carburetor fully adjusted, timing set, complete, drop in, ready to go. So there you have it again, our 383 Chevrolet 550 horsepower roller cam engine with the AFR aluminum heads all set. Thanks for watching.